learned that you can find music and rhythm in many places. Whether playing an instrument, dancing along, or just listening in, everyone can enjoy music.
You did a great job! It's a parrot!